Yun.
The banana peeling. Tess and Wally were walking. Oh! Cried Tess as she felt Wally help her up. He picked up the banana peeling. Ben and the puppy. One day, Ben found the puppy. It was wet and hungry. He took it home. "Throw that puppy away," said his mother. It looked at her with sad eyes. Mother got some milk. Nina's plan. "Look, Mother," cried Nina. "My plants are growing. Soon we can't eat them. Don't forget to water them every day, Mother," said Nina. Watered the plant in each pot. The pet hen. Pat has a pet hen. The hen is red. The hen is fat. Pat's hen has 10 eggs. The eggs are in the nest.